Are you ready to get a lot of practice with arithmetic? Let us go. We're going to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Let's just review all these in one quick video. My name is Amos Tarfa, Amos Math Guy. And in this video, what I want to do is to give you a quick overview. In Counting to Calculus, I'm going to do a dissection of a few different types of problems. I'll explain what I'm doing on each one of them. But my goal is to get your arithmetic skills better and better. Now, please note that you would need an addition table and a multiplication table as a way to just check your work off to the side. We provide that for you in my book, Tools for Mastering Mathematics. So you can open to the page where I give you an addition table and a multiplication table, and we're going to do some good arithmetic. Think of arithmetic as a warm-up. You're warming up for a race. You're doing your free throws. That's your arithmetic. Okay, let's get some arithmetic problems completed. We're going to start first by understanding what variables are. That's a quick side note, quick commercial break. If someone were to ask you, Alex has 9 more towels than Jen. If Jen has 5 towels, how many does Alex have? In math, it's important to use letters to represent the different situations. So A could represent Alex. We say Alex has 9 more than Jen. So Jen has a certain number. Alex has 9 more. So that if they say Jen has 5, that means 5 plus 9 is 14. We just did a word problem. Alex has 14. Now, in the real world, most people don't talk like that. They don't show up and say, hey, if you're 5 years older than that person, how old will you be in 10 years? That doesn't really happen, right? Maybe us nerds sometimes have those kind of conversations for fun. But word problems are important. And in order to do word problems, just make sure you label different variables with different letters. Let's now dive into different arithmetic problems. Are you ready? Let's start. What is 9 minus 6? Is 3. That means 6 plus 3 is 9. Very good. What is 18 minus 13? 18 minus 13 is 5. That means 13 plus 5 is 18. Notice that there's a relationship there between the addition and the subtraction. What is 38 minus 28? That's just 10, right? Notice that these 8s are the same. The only thing that changed was in the tens place. That's why place value is important when you're adding and subtracting as well. What happens if someone shows up and says, hey, 15 minus 8 minus 2? Okay, what's 15 minus 8? 7 minus 2, 5. So that is just a quick subtraction problem there. But what if they put it in parentheses like this? 13 minus 8 minus 3. Well, you could say 13 minus 5, which is 8. Okay. So that's a little bit of subtraction practice. What about 29 minus 27 minus 2? Well, that would be 2 minus 2, which is 0. Very good. Absolute value. How do we work with absolute value as we review our math skills? If someone says the absolute value of negative 9, the answer is 9. It is the distance from negative 9 on a number line to 0. It's 9 spots. That's why it's called 9. What about the absolute value of 9? It's just 9. Let's look at a few more absolute value problems. What is 7 plus 3 minus 10 absolute value? That's just the same thing as saying 10 minus 10, and that's just 0. How about 12 minus 14 absolute value? 12 minus 14. 14 is bigger than 12. That means you're going to have a negative number, but the absolute value is going to make that number 2, positive 2. We're going to have a deeper dive with absolute value and algebra concepts, but this is the beginning of absolute value as we review different concepts in arithmetic. Addition and subtraction are complementary. Addition and subtraction are inverse operations because they undo each other. So if you say 17 plus negative 17, the answer to this problem is 0. This takes away everything here and you get 0. Technically, this is actually the same as that. That's why it's 0. A positive times a negative is a negative. A positive times a positive is a positive. A negative times a negative is a positive. Very good. So that's a little bit of addition and subtraction. Let's now work through a few addition problems, but let's look at bigger numbers. What is 200 plus 500 plus 11? I would line them up like that. And then go vertical. 0 plus 0 plus 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1. 2 plus 5. Very good. How about 99 plus 99 plus 99? 9 plus 9 plus 9 is 27. We carry 2. 9 plus 9 plus 9 is 27, plus that 2 is 29. Now, there's another way to do this problem. We know 99 is next to 100, so technically it's 100 and 100 and 100, and just remove 3. That's just a quick way to do it, but you could just add the digits. Add them vertically. No common core here. We want to do math like Euler did. We want to go back and just learn those facts and work through them with confidence. Okay, what about 872 plus 325? Let's add 922. So that's going to be 9. This is going to be 11. That's 1821. Okay, very good. So let's get comfortable with working with numbers. The other thing you could do is you could add these 2 digits together first and then add that third one. Okay, very good. If we have, no matter what the number is, no matter what the numbers are, so like if someone gives you that plus that, all you do is you start from this point, 9 plus 6, 15, carry 1, 6 plus 2, and add that 1, 5 plus 6, and then 3 plus 2, and then 2 plus 3. Okay, so this is 56,195. Adding decimals is the same story. Same story. If you have $2.35, let's say someone is selling something for that much, and then another $3.25, and you want to add them together, the principle is the same. It's just the decimal points you have to watch out for. We will do more details with adding decimals, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, but this is just getting you going with your understanding of arithmetic operations. So adding, subtracting, very key principles. How about multiplication and division? Well, times tables, and I've made a whole Spotify playlist for you with your 2 times tables all the way to 12 times tables. If you email amosthemathguy@gmail.com, I'll send you the playlist. amosthemathguy@gmail.com, and I'll send you the playlist, and you'll be able to work through your multiplication facts. 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 5 times 7 is 35. You should be able to just say those facts as you work through the problems. Okay, very good. We've talked about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Addition and subtraction. We're going to talk about multiplication and division in the future. I look forward to guiding you in the journey from counting to calculus. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed day.